So hey there everybody, and welcome to another unique build here with AZ Drone. Today we're at a site that's actually taken us almost 2 years to document. The site got under construction just a couple of years ago in August, but then some hiccups happened. The folks who had put money down on it decided on a different house. They redid some of the plans here, so it's been through several different iterations of getting everything ready, but finally this house is actually coming together and coming together nicely. I have to say this is one of the more unique home layouts that we've seen in quite a while, so you'll be seeing that up on screen as well. It's a very interesting kind of horseshoe feel going on here. And there's also a huge garage for 2 cars and an RV parking lot as well. Not to mention over on this side here, there's a guest house as well. And I'll tell you what, that would make an awesome studio for AZ Drone. Huh. I don't think I can afford this place though. While I'm doing this video in here, Jody's actually running around in other rooms doing 360 imaging for this location. One of the folks that we're working with on the site said, hey, let's get some 360s done. We've done 360s in here before when the walls were wide open, so that you could see all the conduits, you could see the piping, sewage, electrical, you name it. When all the walls were up and up, we got to image all of that with the 360 camera, and whoever becomes the homeowners down the road will actually get those 360s, so they'll know where everything is. Kind of a cool idea. So we've been doing that for a while. In addition to our regular drone flights, we do 360 interiors for construction and for completion. We also do 360 outdoor virtual tours as well. And now we're also doing the FPV fly-throughs with the Avata. As well, today I've been walking around just getting some video here and there, and hooking up to make sure that I've got the audio here as well. So hopefully this is sounding good, probably very echoey, and I'll probably be using one of my echo removal tools in Final Cut Pro. So when we finish this job, we usually have multiple still images completed, video of the job location, 360s inside, Avata fly-through. So there's a lot of components to this one and to the presentations that we do. So when we're putting together the See My Build webpage for this, that web page includes all of those different items we just talked about. We can hear a couple of folks out on the ground right now. Basically, everything's almost polished up here for the interiors, and they're just out doing some leveling for the driveway. Very steep driveway, very interesting. So now keep in mind, we do this for builders, we do this for general contractors, we do this work for subcontractors who want to document their work, and we also do this work for the actual people commissioning these homes, so the home buyer. At any stage, the video and stills and models that we create here can be used by all of those different parties. So, we keep an eye out for how's the building coming together if we've got a homeowner who's paying us. And we do the same thing for the general contractors and the builders. We supply them all of these images and all this video afterward so that they can take a look at their own project and also share their project development with venture capitalists and other investors who might want to get in on some of the build sites that are being done by these different groups. All right, everybody, I'm going to go set up the Avata now, and we'll see if Jody's almost done with the 360s in here, and then we're going to do some simple fly-throughs with the Avata. What's really unique, it's such a strange layout to this home. It's kind of compelling. I actually like it. And I love the studio. I could move in there tomorrow. Uh, but anyways, we'll try to get you everything and show you what we've been doing here before we assemble this for our clients. See you in another video.